All right, you okay? How you doing? Why do you look like you're not breathing? Because you aren't breathing, are you? Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, no. Why are you not breathing? Come on. Okay. You can do this. Here we go. Tilt the head. Fingers on the chin. Clear the throat. Great. Nothing. I see nothing. Okay. All right, so just pinch the nose and blow. Come on, Kora. Come on, Kora.
If you're thinking service hatch, they bolt from the outside, so you'd have to break it. All you'd end up doing is creating a lot of noise, telling them exactly where we are.
Khalil already knows.
Not necessarily. She saw that we got in, but she might not know that we didn't get out.
Yeah, well, if I get through, then we can go to another floor.
Or you'd end up fighting them alone in an elevator shaft. They'll rip my head off before you even have a chance to land a punch.
Then someone needs to get the backup generator running again.
Breathe. Come on, Kora, breathe. Oh. You know, next time I put my lips to your mouth, you better be awake.